That was a little disorganized fun. That's exactly the way. That's a good definition. Disorganized fun, and that's what happens when you turn on the camera sometimes. Even though you might be trying to be a little bit more organized, but hey, that was a really fun one. Can't contain it. It's too much fun. Thanks for watching, y'all. Y'all are still checking out my double CD deal where if you buy two of them, I sign them, and so much so that I had to order some new CDs, and that's what a wonderful problem to have. So thanks, y'all, and thanks for commenting and subscribing and all that good stuff. This beat will be on my next CD. Peace out.